This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Courtney Morrill. Location. Welcome to this beautiful condo tucked away in nature in the heart of Holly Bend and Beach Borough. The boardwalk, beach, restaurants, parks, surf and entertainment are just blocks away. Enjoy an inviting open floor plan offering 2 spacious bedrooms and great closet space. Relax in the spacious living room, dining area or office/sitting area. Gorgeous flooring, kitchen counters, windows galore and an incredible private rooftop patio where you can entertain, soak in the sun and enjoy sunsets. You will not want to miss this gem. There is a $324 MO special assessment until December 2023. For more information, review the details below or contact Courtney Morrill at 540-809-4442.